Hello, my name is Jasmine. Ba, a, ga, fa, I, ga, o, na, da, e, da, ba, I, ga, I, na.
Hi guys, this is Bhavna Dewani. So, did you see that small kids can read very easily? ये इतना भी कॉम्प्लिकेट नहीं है जितना हम पेरेंट्स उसे मानते हैं. सो अगर आप भी चाहते हो आपके बच्चे इतना ही फ्लुएंटली या उससे भी बेटर रीड कर सके तो आपको करना होगा एक छोटा सा नन्हा मुन्ना सा हार्ड वर्क. सो आई यू रेडी फॉर दैट? Yes, you are ready. So let's learn together with Kitty Panda. So I'm going to tell you that there are two ways to kids can read very easily. First is recognize the picture. So do you want to see that? Look at here.
Alligator, apple, and angry arrow, astronaut.
So did you see that? Is it possible to recognize all the pictures together? No. So what is the solution for that? Phonic sound. Do you know what is a phonic sound? Do you remember the beginning clip? Yes, you remember. Phonic sound means there are 26 letters in English alphabet. All alphabets have different sounds. So today we will learn that which English alphabet sound match with Hindi alphabet sound. So look at here.
A says a. B says b. C says k. D says d. E says a. A says a. E says a. F says f. G says g. H says ha. I says E. हिंदी की छोटी मात्रा E. J says ja. K says ka. K says ka. L says l. Bubble mouth. M says ma. N says n. O says o. P says p. Q says qu. R says r. S says s. T says t. U says a. Umbrella. Umbrella. V says v. W says v. Both are the v, but watch. W says vo. Watch. X says s. Y says ya. Z says z. Zip.
So see you soon in next video with A to Z alphabet with proper understanding. तो तब तक पेरेंट्स आपको करवाना है अपने बच्चों को छोटा सा रिवीजन with your small hard work. Okay, so bye bye and thanks for watching.